welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor sent me another great product. We're full-time RVers, and this is an RV shower. And we just happen to be full-time RVers, and we have an outdoor shower where we're at. We've set up our outdoor shower here. It's an outdoor shower on the outside of the RV, and we set up an outdoor shower stall here, and we just so happen to need a new shower deal, so that's great. We're going to replace that with this one. We're going to mount it right here, and you can see the outlet for the shower right here, and we're going to put this one right here and hang it right here. Let's get to it, shall we? Here's all the parts that we got to install our new shower head: the hanger, the hose, and the multi-position nozzle with the stop and start, which is very important. If you're not an RVer, you probably wouldn't know this, but you don't get unlimited hot water in an RV. So this stops the water from flowing. You get wet, you stop the water from flowing, and you soap up, and then you start the water again. So here's the shower head. I'm just going to connect this up here. Make sure you have the washer in there. Hook that up. Just as simple as that. Hook up. Hand tight is usually fine. Any tighter than that, and you'll probably just strip it and wreck it. So hand tight is usually sufficient. All right. Now I'm just going to go down to the faucet and do the same thing. Make sure I have my washer down there, and I'm just going to screw this on the faucet. Simple as that. Really no reason to video that. Now it does have this little attachment that you can run the cord through to hold the cord against the wall to keep it from slamming all over the place. In our application, we are not going to use that. So we're just putting up the hanger up here. We drilled a couple of pilot holes. Nice and firm. Nice and firm. And look at that. I love the way it clicks in many positions. Beautiful. Get your RV shower today. Easy to install.